Okay, dear friends, welcome back. Just now, welcome back. Okay, just now, Chelsea has introduced us about the mobile collection plant. There is the other type of the collection line, that is the stationary collection lines. This is very common in our life, yes? So let's welcome Kelly to introduce about the stationary line about the crusher. Okay, let's welcome Kelly.
Hello, everyone. Hello. Thanks a lot to Chelsea's introduction about our mobile crusher, that also including some of our hot sale single machines like jaw crusher, impact crusher, cone crusher, and heavy hammer crusher. Okay, so in the following half an hour, we will share with you our another hot sale product, that is the stationary steel crushing line. Okay, first I will show you this picture. This is not just a picture. This is a real client working site in Uzbekistan.
Oh, the real site of one client.
Yes,
Okay. Our client want to know more details about this. Okay, could you tell me more?
Okay, so this client last year come to our factory with the request for 15 tons per hour stone crushing line. His raw material is river stone. We all know that river stone, they are big size, small size, or some side even with dust.
Yeah.
So we have a special design for him. This is the flow chart. We can see there are some special points. I show you one by one. So we can see here is the feeding section. Here, this feeding section that when loader and oil skipper drops the raw material to this feeder, there is a grizzly bar. So oversized material will stop on the grizzly bar. So size either 420 millimeter will drop to vibrating feeder and feed to jaw crusher directly. And if the stones or side that's smaller than 10 millimeter, it will drop directly here to the belt conveyor under this.
Yeah, this part no need to crush. First leak from this.
Yes.
Okay.
So this belt conveyor also accept the crushed material from jaw crusher. So they together carried to this longer conveyor.
Yeah, longer conveyor to next crusher.
Okay, so there's a point, friends. Because you know that in stone crushing line there is a principle: more screening, less crushing, because crushing always consume a lot electric power.
Yes.
So we directly, after primary crushing, we directly carry the material to vibrating screen. So pay attention, please. Here, there is a iron remover device here.
Oh, just now Chelsea has also said this. This is very necessary before the cone crusher. Yes.
This is very necessary because there are some ferro material that cannot break in the cone crusher. If the ferro material fall to the cone crusher, will damage the cone crusher and make a lot cost and make big problem. So so after the material carried to this vibrating screen, that's a small size, like we have 3 layers on this vibrating screen, that 10 millimeter, 20 millimeter, and 30 millimeter. So the size 0 to 10 millimeter and 10 to 20 millimeter will as part of our product. And there are small parts about 20 millimeter to 30 millimeter. Above 30 millimeter big size will back to this cone crusher. Back to this cone crusher
again.
Yes, crusher again for secondary crushing. So you can see that this from screening to cone crusher, this is a closed circle. This is a closed circle. So as to make all product size qualified as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, and 20 to 30. This is 3 product. Yeah, so this is the brief introduction about this production line.
Okay, you told me the flow chart of this complete line.
Yes.
As you said, this is your client site, real site. Yes. So besides the equipment, I also wanted to know other details about the complete line, such as maybe the sale foundation, the price, the workers, and the whole cost. I want to know more. Could you tell me?
Okay, let's one by one. After client agree with our contractor, with our suggestion that we began to make the machines. The machines we make for 45 days. There is another thing that was also very interesting. Client introduced his friend to buy the same line together. So totally we have 2 lines together. We make the machines in 45 days. 45 days, finish
45
all
days.
The machines and spare
Okay.
parts, and all the parts. Yes, and we ship out by railway. Ship out by railway. Yes, need around 2 to 3 weeks to
2 to
Uzbekistan.
3 weeks. So
Yeah.
about 2 months. That means 6 days to finish the transport. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
the next maybe the client need to install. How about this time?
So there is a very interesting things because
Yes?
everyone know that after Chinese New Year there is a big thing happened.
Yeah, I know. Coronavirus disease 19. Now
Yes.
this disease has influenced all over the world. Yes.
Yes. So after that, we ship out client. We in China and we in China begin the coronavirus, so everything begins slow, and also all the other countries in the world things getting slowly, and client stop work for around half a year. Only after July, everything back slowly to normal, but things also move very slow. And so for foundation, they make around around 2 months.
Around 2 months.
Yeah, things move very slow. And after that, they use around 1 month for test running.
Okay.
For test running, so they use almost for 1 or 2 months till now. And client tell me that everything work very good, machines and product, and everything is just good. And I'm so happy.
Yeah.
So happy to hear this news.
Yes, we know in China everything is normal. Yes, back to normal. But in foreign world, as you know, as the coronavirus disease 19, we cannot assign engineers to abroad. Yes, if the client maybe have some questions and problems about their civil work foundation, or maybe the installing or equipment, how to deal with these problems.
Yes, this is really a big problem for all the factories in China to do overseas business. But we have a branch in Uzbekistan. We have branch in Uzbekistan. So if client in Uzbekistan that want to help about the foundation or other local service, that contact with us. We have engineer there, and we can go to your local.
Okay, the friends in Uzbekistan, very lucky as we have branch there. So this time, don't miss the opportunity. We told you this time, if you contact us and place an order in our live broadcast, first we'll supply you 5% discount. This is the first, and then we'll give you 1 set of spare parts for free. Okay, don't miss this opportunity. Please follow us. There is our logo, hongji machinery. Contact us now and please order. Okay, next, Kelly will continue to introduce about his case, about her case. Okay.
Yes, after ship out the machines, client make a local installation and test running, everything okay. So,
others?
Yeah, others client friends. Maybe you're interested about how about the project size.
Yeah. The land area.
Yes.
I need.
This design we make L type layout. We can see here and here L type layout. Here in this section that is around 50 meters, and here in this section that is around 35 meters. So totally for machine position, totally around 15 square meters. Total,
50.
500.
500.
Sorry, 500 square
500
meters.
square meters for only the equipment.
Yes.
Okay, if I want to know the whole complete plant, such as maybe there is, gadget room, and maybe the living room.
Yes.
The complete land area I need is how much?
Yes, so maybe you will consider about another 3 parts here for loading, for dumping, for raw material dumping. So they need this place need an area, and maybe you need some office or control room.
Yeah.
And you need a space for storage, for final, for finished product storage. So totally for this factory, for this plant, we suggest the client prepare 1,500 square meters.
1,500 square meters for this total plant.
Yes, correct.
Okay, how many workers I need for this line?
Yeah, for workers, here you need a driver, truck driver.
Driver?
Yeah, truck driver. And
Yeah.
here in the control room, you need a person in the control room all the time. And one person outside for care the machine is running. And you maybe need 2 person for finish the product discharge and aggregate transport out. So totally need 3 to 5 person for this production line.
3 to 5% is there for this line. Okay. And
okay.
Kelly introduce the 50 ton, yeah? 50 ton,
Yes.
50 ton per hour. Okay.
So let's give
is there anything I didn't consider? You can tell me.
So for 15 tons per hour steel crushing line, we use machines GZD0830. And jaw crusher, we use PEF 500 by 750. And cone crusher, we use CS75. And for operating degree, we use 31K1545. And for belt conveyors, they are B500, B640, like this.
That's the specific model of this machine.
Yes.
So you'll now introduce all details about this line.
Another thing, the motor power, power consumption. Client also ask a lot. So for this one, the operating feeder motor power 1.5 kilowatts by 2 motors, and for jaw crusher that is 55 kilowatts, and for this cone crusher that is 75 kilowatts, and for operating degree that is 15 kilowatts. So totally, plus the belt conveyors, totally the motor power for this whole production line that is around 170 kilowatts.
170 for this complete line.
Yeah,
the 50 ton per hour.
Yeah.
Okay, I know the power consumption is the focus, the client, of the client. I know many of my clients want to know this, especially the electricity power.
Yes. Everyone consult about this because they are really, in fact, they are invest.
Yes, that's included. Okay.
About invest, one more thing.
You told me, as maybe I didn't consider about this.
Yeah, about invest, one more thing. For this production line, for this machine list, total invest client need to pay around $90,000.
$90,000. This complete line need $90,000. Okay, you said the price. I'll give you one time. Okay, I told you this time in our live broadcast room. If you consult us and places an order this time, we will give you 5% discount. Only this time, different, only this time. And besides this, we'll give you spare parts for free. If you have interest about this, please contact us now. We will have staff to answer you at once. Okay.
And if you want to know more details about this production line, follow us, and
with our logo, follow us. We are Hongji Machinery. Our people, Hongji Machinery.
Contact with Kelly.
Okay.
Let's do some extension for this production line. Similar to this design, we have another capacity that is 100 tons per hour. That machines we use DSW 9638 motor power is 11 kilowatts, and this PE 600 by 900 jaw crusher motor power is 75 kilowatts. And for this cone crusher we use CS110 that motor power 110, and for this operating degree for 100 tons per hour brands that we use 311848. So for this production line, total motor power consumption that is summary that is around 280 kilowatts per hour.
Okay. I ask a question. How about the price? That's the point.
Okay. For 100 tons per hour, this production line, I give you a brief idea that this price is around $150,000.
$150,000. Okay,
Yes.
see again. Dear friends, guys, if you have interest about such line, please contact us now. We will give you 5% discount and one set of spare parts for free. Okay, don't miss this opportunity. Please contact us now. Okay, let's continue.
So we finish this production line. Friends, please remember this is a very popular and very universal straw crushing line in the world. So we have a very rich experience for this side straw crushing line. Don't miss the opportunity and contact with us.
Yes.
Follow us.
Okay, follow us. This is our logo. If you contact us, our people will reply you at once, or you can leave your message or contacts on the screen. Write down your contacts. Our people from hongji machinery will contact you. Okay.
Okay, so we will go to the second popular solution for straw crushing line. That is in front of us. There's a model. There's a model with jaw crusher, impact crusher, vibrating screen, and VSI crusher. This is also we have client using this production line
in real situation.
Yes, this client is in Kenya, and we work for very long time. We cooperate for very long time. That is since 2009. Since the year 2009, clients James, William, and Peter come together to our factory. And after negotiation, they agree with our solution, with this solution. And very interesting, he take out the cash for 30,000 cash and pay directly.
Oh, pay directly.
Cash.
For your cash.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
That's a surprise.
Yeah, his production line, but later he changed to this production line. He changed. So what happened later? I will explain to you. This client firstly used this production line with jaw crusher, impact crusher. He used for limestone and work very good with size and product and capacity. But 4 years later, he changed his business scope from limestone to granite and the hardstone basalt like this. So he found a question that impact crusher wear out very easy with this hard material. So he back to me and asked what can we do for him. So we suggested him to use this type jaw crusher, 5 jaw crusher and vibrating screen, this solution. So he changed the impact crusher to this 5 jaw crusher.
Okay, you gave his suggestion to change to this.
Yes.
Why? What's the advantage of the fine crusher than the impact crusher?
Impact crusher working very good for middle hard stones, but for hard stones, the blow bar and liners wear out very quickly, and you have to open the chamber and change the spare parts that need a longer time. So for this jaw crusher, that is very easy to change spare parts, and this jaw crusher exists in straw crushing market for more than 100 years. So than 100 years. So everyone is very familiar with these kind of machines. No need a skilled worker, no need others. So you take this machine and you can use it very easy. And another thing for this 5 jaw crusher, when the jaws wear out, you can take it out and change to another side.
Very easily?
Yes, you can take it out and use another side for double time. So spare parts you can use for more longer.
Oh, so I got it. Okay, now Kelly has introduced two details lines to us. Yes.
And there is another solution. What can you see the difference from others, please, Fiona?
From others?
Yes.
I thought.
What can you see the difference?
I can't see the difference.
How about
I just think maybe there's many lines. What about this?
Yes, this is another of our suggestion solutions that use steel structure, not foundation. We can see here. This is a concrete foundation, we can see here concrete foundation. But for this line, there is no concrete foundation, and we use steel structure instead.
Oh, that's a different foundation of
Yes.
the equipment.
Yes.
Okay. So there are two types,
Yes.
concrete and steel.
Yes.
Okay, could you tell me the difference between the two types?
For concrete, maybe one-time invest will be lower than steel structure. But for steel structure, there are many advantages, such as clients do not need local civil work and engineering. They do not need prepare before the machine arriving. They just need prepare a solid ground will be okay.
Oh,
So
I see.
Yeah, so we prepare all the machines, all the connect parts, all the steel structure. Yes, everything we ship together in container. And after they got the container, they connect the machines according to our drawings, and everything will be finished in 2 weeks.
Oh, that's very fast.
Yes,
Yeah,
very
fast.
quickly, very
Yeah,
quickly.
fast.
And another thing that no need civil work, and for another thing that there is easy assemble and disassemble. It's very easy assemble and disassemble. If you finish this place work, if you want to move to another site, so you can separate them, and take them to another place directly. It's very easy for again installation.
Oh, very convenient operation. Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I see
Yes.
the difference between these two types.
Yes.
Okay.
And there are two more advantages.
Two more.
Yes, and you know that for this kind of concrete foundation, this is a solid waste. Solid waste after you shut down the production line, the solid waste will still here. So this is a headache problem for all the users. But for this one, you can disassemble them and you can take them or
collect.
Yes. So there is no solid waste problem. It's very environment friendly.
So now we use this more or this concrete.
This one is more popular because
more
we now all building to environment friendly earth. Yes. So people now will pay a little more one time invest, but later if they want to remove or they want to sell as second hand material, second hand steel crushing line, every part that recover, money can back in every part. Not only machines, but also this foundation.
The whole.
Yes. Client will pay back to you.
Okay, Kelly introduced about the stationary crushing lines and the difference between the foundation, the concrete foundation and the steel structure foundation. Yes.
Are you interested?
Okay. Now, friends, if you have needs or interests about the stationary crushing line, please contact us. This time, if you consult and please order this time in our live broadcast room, we will give you 5% discount.
5%.
This is very, very, very good. And we will also give you one set of spare parts for free.
Spare parts free.
Please contact us. This is our logo. Please follow us. Our logo. This is our name. Our name from Hongji Machinery will contact you if you leave your messages or contacts in the screen.